Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a super exciting haul for you guys. This is probably one of my favorite hauls to do, and it is a Walmart haul. I love to shop at Walmart, guys. I've been shopping at Walmart for years, but I feel like the past year or so they really stepped up their game as far as their clothing goes. I used to love to shop at Target, but now I find myself shopping a lot at Walmart. Not only their prices are still affordable, but they have some amazing pieces, and I just cannot say enough about them. Like, I just love it. I want to get right into it. But guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, and do not forget to also click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Now, I do post 5 days a week, so I would love to have you guys. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first piece I wanted to show you guys is this one that I'm wearing right now, and it is this really beautiful red top. I love this so much. Guys, if you don't know, pink and red is like one of my favorite colors, and I feel like red just looks really good on me. And I know probably that sounds like, oh my gosh, she's so stuck up, but no, I'm just being honest. Like, I feel like red, when I put it on, I just feel like really sexy, and I feel like it just brings out my skin tone because I'm very white. So yeah, I really love this one so much, guys. It is so beautiful. So it has this design that is like really stretchy, and that's why I love it so much, guys, because it's so flattering, but it's so stretchy. And that's a big deal for me because I am very heavy chested. So I am 34 triple D. I think I said that like so many times whenever I do a haul, but I feel like it's important to kind of tell you what is my size, just so that way you kind of get an idea how it would look on you if you are the same size or if not. And honestly, I don't even think it matters even if you are not heavy chested, because this works with even if you are rather small. My daughter is not heavy chested, and this would definitely work for her. This is a size medium, and it has these little puff sleeves. They're kind of like sheer, but not really. And I love these buttons right here. I just think this is so beautiful. Now, it is not cropped on me, but the thing is, I am short. I'm only 5 feet, so maybe that's why. I noticed that some crop tops that they claim they're crop tops, it doesn't end up really being crop top on me. And even if it is a little cropped on me, I can wear high-waisted jeans and it doesn't look that way. I don't wear crop tops, but oh my gosh, I'm like going off on a rant. That is not my point. The point is, this is not a crop top. It doesn't claim to be, but this is absolutely beautiful. And the thing I love about it is you can wear it 2 ways. So you can obviously wear it like over the shoulder if you want to make it look more cute and sexy and more summery. I feel like this gives it a more summer vibe. You can definitely do that. But since I do wear a bra, I wear a nursing bra, I rather wear it like this. I just feel more secure. And I love this so much that I also got this one in this blush pink. Guys, this is so freaking beautiful. I absolutely love it. Now, they did also have this in a color white, black, and a navy blue. And I'm so upset because, okay, so I wanted the white and black so badly, but they were all out of stock. They had a white one, but it was size large. I don't know if I mentioned it. This is a size medium. These are $12.96, which I think is a really great buy. So if you guys see these, pick them up, guys. You're gonna love them. I absolutely love it. I just think they are absolutely beautiful. I just wish they had it in the color white and black. If you do not find it in your stores, just order it online. They do also have it online. This one I purchased online and I picked it up in the store. This one, they only allowed me to pick it up in the store. They didn't give me the option of delivering it to my door. So I think it just depends on what location you're at that they give you the option. And then, guys, okay, moving on to the next top is this beautiful piece right here. Now, this is over the shoulder, so there's no way for you to wear it like this. But I don't mind when I am done breastfeeding. I'm definitely gonna wear this probably next summer, to be honest with you. But this is a size small. It actually fits me very well, which I really love, and I just love this design. Now, usually I don't like this Paisley kind of, what is that movie? House on the Prairie. It reminds me of House on the Prairie type, but because it's red and just the way it looks, it instantly like caught my eye. And yeah, I got this one. And how much was this? I took off the tag just because I was gonna wear this in the video as I'm talking, but I ended up getting this one instead. So this is $10.96. Yeah, $10.96. Yeah, so there's that one. And then moving on to the next top, I picked this one up actually for my daughter. This is a size small and it is by No Boundaries. I don't know if I mentioned this, guys, but these two, let me see, these two are also by No Boundaries, in case you guys are wondering. But yeah, this one is by No Boundaries and it is just like a white t-shirt. It is ribbed. My daughter wanted this with her just to wear like with jeans, but it is sheer, and she did wear a nude bra and it is still sheer. So I will be returning this whenever Walmart will allow returns again. But this one was $5.96. I do think it was a great buy. Now they do have these multiple colors. I seen it in a black, a purple. I also seen it in a leopard, but I didn't pick it up because they didn't have it in my size. But yeah, I really think this is beautiful. The problem with white tops that I hate is that a lot of times they are sheer. That's like one of my pet peeves, and I get it. It comes with the, you know, with it being white, it tends to be more sheer and it shows everything, but it just sucks because I love wearing white clothing. But yeah, that's just something that did not work out. And they did close the fitting room, so I don't know if at your Walmart they allow you to try your clothes on, but at my stores they do not allow anyone to try on clothes because of the COVID-19. But anyways, moving on to the next item is this really beautiful kimono cardigan. Now, if you guys have been watching my hauls, you know I've been talking about wanting to find like this really perfect leopard kimono cardigan, and I feel like I really finally did. So it is this one right here, and it does have drawstrings, so you can like cinch it in. Now I'm not gonna be wearing it like that. This you can wear it as a bathing suit cover up, and I probably will if I'm ever in a bathing suit at the beach, but I'm gonna actually just be wearing this with like a nice jeans and a shirt and just put this over. I think this is perfect for the summertime, especially for the more cooler summer nights when you just want something just to throw on real quick. This is, I think, perfect, guys. So, oh my gosh, I love it, guys. It is so long, and since I'm short, it does go pretty low. But I absolutely love it. I think the price is a really good price as well. So this is $16.97 and it is by Time and True. I got it in a size small/medium. And if you guys have not watched my Come With Me to Walmart, check it out. I will link it down below in the description box, just so that way you can see what other things that they are having right now, because they did have other kimono cardigans in different designs and colors. So yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. And oh my gosh, guys, I was so excited about these. Okay, I am talking about these biker shorts right here. Hold up. Okay, so they look like this. You guys probably know that these are my favorite. If you guys don't know already, I love leopard print. I don't care if it's on trend or not. I feel like leopard is a classic. I really love these guys. I did get them in a medium, and this was $5.98. That I think is a really awesome deal. This is by No Boundaries, and they are so soft, guys, so comfortable. And I've been on a kick lately. I've been wanting to get a bunch of like biker shorts with the oversized tee. That's kind of like my style right now for days where I just want to like throw something on and run out the door, especially with my 8-month-old. I usually do not have time to put an outfit together and look extra bougie, and I feel like putting an outfit like this together, you still look bougie, but you know, nobody knows that you just kind of threw it on and you're done. You do look put together, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this I really love, guys. I am just so happy, and I love biker shorts because I'm very curvy, so I don't usually like shorts that are too short, because for me, I just don't think it's flattering, and that's just not my style. And I am wanting to pick up more. I'm really on the lookout to find like a black biker shorts. I was hoping they have it, but they didn't. I did pick up in also this really beautiful heather gray, again in a size medium, and I absolutely love this so much. I'm planning on wearing this with the oversized pink shirt that I got from Walmart as well, and I just love it. Now, they did also have these biker shorts in like a floral print, which honestly, I didn't think it was so cute. And they also had it in like a hot orange color. Again, not my thing. I really wish they had it in a black. I am so happy with the purchases, and you cannot beat it for $6. Yes, I will take that. So moving on, I also got this shirt right here. So this is by Time and True. It is like a tank top. And this, I got it in a size small. Now, whenever I get sizes in the women's size from Time and True, I do get in a size small because I feel like they run more big. And whenever they are by No Boundaries, they tend to run really small. So I usually get in a size medium, just for reference in case you guys are wondering. But this one, like I said, is a size small by Time and True. It is like a really beautiful kind of nude color. The safari theme is really on trend right now, especially with these colors. You can wear it with a hunter green pants. I just think that would go really well together. And I got this, like I said, because it is in trend and I love these types of colors. These goes with so many outfits, guys. It is neutral. This was only $3.50, and I feel like, guys, these are essentials that you need in your wardrobe, especially when you want to just run out the door, be done, and still look chic. Those are the ones to go, guys. And I've purchased at different stores, and honestly, I have to say Walmart is a win for me. I love it even more than Target. I used to get my tank tops and my regular basics at Target, and now I get it at Walmart. I love it so much more. Moving on, I also got this spaghetti strap shirt. So it looks like this, and this one is by Time and True. I did get it in a size medium, and this was, it doesn't say the price, but I remember it being like $2.88, so under $3. I think is a great buy. I am gonna be using this again with like some jeans, just like casual wear. I just think this is really pretty, guys. If you guys don't know, I love pink. Like, pink is one of my favorite colors, and I just love it. These are really great quality. They're very soft and stretchy. And the thing I love about these so much, guys, is that it has adjustable straps. That is very important for me because since I'm petite, a lot of the straps tend to be way too long, and then I end up having extra material. And a lot of times I actually have to like sew it and do it myself, because I could do it myself. But to me, that's a hassle. I don't want to have to do that because then it's like a burden to me. But this has adjustable straps, so they are thinking about me and all us petite women. But yeah, I really love this one so much. And then the last top that I want to show you guys, I was so happy to find this. Now, this was on clearance, guys. This is a rib top, and it is a really beautiful, like a bubblegum pink. So this was on clearance for $2. This is an extra large, but I actually like it because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized with my jeans. I wanted something casual like this, but I saw this and it caught my eye because I love pink, guys, and I just had to have this. I just think this is really beautiful. For $2, you cannot beat it, guys. Always check out your clearance aisle, guys. That's one thing I always advise when you go to Walmart. Check it out because you will be surprised. If it would have been for me checking the clearance aisles, honestly, I don't think I would have found so many great deals as I do a lot of times, but I do check it out. I think they're actually really cool when I know that there's clearance going on and I can possibly find something really awesome. It's kind of like a treasure hunt. And another clearance item that I found that I'm super excited about, and honestly, I wish I wore them in this video because they are so beautiful. It is these right here. So they are earrings, obviously, and they're kind of like, they call them pearl crawler earrings. So they kind of stay like this, like all around right here. And I love that look, guys. I think it looks so chic and put together. And I love the fact that it has diamonds and pearls. It is gold. If you guys don't know, most of my jewelry collection is gold because I love gold. And this was $150. Now, to begin with, the prices from Walmart are so affordable. Original price, this was $288, and it was on clearance for $150. A lot of times it will even go on clearance for $1. but I just had to pick these up. These are by Time and True. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys some little baby items that I also got at Walmart. And my baby already used most of these, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. So they have these really awesome head wraps for babies. And this one is in the red. This was, it doesn't say the price, but this was $2.88, and it is by Wonder Nation. So beautiful, guys. It is really big on her and it looks so cute. I just love big bows on her. I feel like whenever I see a baby with a big bow, it just looks so freaking cute because it's like a big bow and they have like a small head. So I just love this. She has not worn this yet. Then I also got it in a pink. Now they only had these in 2 colors. I only seen the red and the pink, but she already wore this one and I absolutely love it. The last item that I got for her is this hat right here. So it's like a turban hat. I just think this is so adorable. It looks so cute on her, guys. And this one was actually a little bit more. I think it was like $3.99. It doesn't say the price. I wish it did. But yeah, it's $3.99. It does say that it fits up to a 3T, but it does fit my baby. It is a little bit big, but it still fits her head just because the way the material is. It kind of hugs around her head. But yeah, she already wore this because I couldn't wait. I just thought it was so cute. And her auntie actually got her 2 pairs of shoes. She got these right here, and these are a child of mine made by Carter's. These are 0 to 3 size. Guys, my baby's feet are really tiny. I think she's gonna have small feet like me because I'm a size 6. This is a size 0 to 3. Now it doesn't say the price, but these were like $10, and I just think these are so adorable, guys. Look at this with these little fringe right here. I just think they're so adorable. I just love them. I cannot wait for her to wear it. And the other pairs of shoes are these right here, also by child of mine made by Carter's. So I just think these are really cute, like ballet slippers. And it has this little tie right here. Now this is not real. This is stretch. It's just for looks. And I just think these are adorable. Again, about $10. That is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your love and support. It truly does mean a lot to me. I try so hard to bring you guys really great quality content, and I'm trying hard to build my channel. I love YouTube. It is my passion, and I just really personally want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you to all. And if it's the first time you guys watching, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for checking it out, and why not stay and subscribe. So yeah, guys, thank you so much once again, and until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.